G'day everyone, it's Chriso. How you doing? I'll just check if that's... Okay, what I've done is before I tiled, I marked where my studs were. This is all steel framing. Then from the top of my cabinet, I've marked down because I've cut holes in my tiles behind this backer board. And I've measured down, so there's one at 100. There's another square out at 240. And another square out at 350. So I'm able to screw my screws in there. I'll probably put 2 in each square because it's a fairly heavy top. Missed the stud. Not that time. All that time. I'll take that out. What are we? 330 down. Oh, come over. That's right. Come over, Chriso. You know there's steel there. I don't really want to go in there. It's all getting pretty close for pipes. Come up a tad. That's screwing into the tiles. So come up. Heavy duty. I like it. I'll carry on putting a few more in there. I would like to, if I can, put in doubles, because when the top goes on it's pretty damn heavy. But that's the idea, folks. Then I've got to put this up here. And we're laughing. Okay, folks, I was just, it was quiet. I was thinking to myself, okay, see you soon. I'll carry on with that, but everyone's got the idea what's going on. This is a very heavy top I'm going to be putting on. There's a fair bit of weight for a wall hung vanity, but it's all good. Straighten up that pipe. Yep, okay, see you soon.